How do Sixth Amendment violations overturn convictions? Imagine being accused of a crime and not having the opportunity to defend yourself fully. That scenario highlights the importance of the Sixth Amendment, which guarantees certain rights to individuals facing criminal charges. These rights include the right to a speedy and public trial, an impartial jury, the right to be informed of the charges against you, the right to confront witnesses, the right to obtain witnesses in your favor, and the right to legal counsel. When any of these rights are violated during a criminal case, it can have serious consequences for the outcome. If a defendant believes their Sixth Amendment rights were violated, they can challenge their conviction through a legal process called an appeal. The appeal focuses on whether the violation affected the fairness of the trial. For example, if a defendant was not provided with a competent lawyer or was denied the chance to confront witnesses, these issues can be grounds for overturning the conviction. The appellate court reviews the case record to determine if the violation was significant enough to have impacted the trial's outcome. In some cases, a violation of the Sixth Amendment can lead to a new trial or even the outright overturning of a conviction. Courts recognize that the integrity of the justice system depends on fair procedures. If a violation is proven, the court may decide that the original trial was fundamentally unfair and must be redone. Alternatively, if the violation was severe enough to undermine the verdict, the court might dismiss the case altogether. It is important to note that not every procedural error results in overturning a conviction. The violation must have had a substantial impact on the defendant's ability to receive a fair trial. Courts carefully evaluate whether the rights guaranteed by the Sixth Amendment were genuinely compromised and whether that compromise affected the case's outcome. In summary, violations of the Sixth Amendment can overturn convictions when they undermine the fairness of the trial process. Through appeals and legal reviews, courts aim to ensure that every defendant receives a just and equitable trial, safeguarding the principles of justice and constitutional rights.